Introducing the Oukitel WP62, a rugged smartphone meticulously engineered to redefine reliability and endurance for users who demand the extraordinary. With a bold mech-inspired aesthetic and industrial-grade build, the WP62 stands out as a formidable device, merging next-generation performance with uncompromising toughness for daily use or extreme environments. Design and build quality. The Oukitel WP62 boasts a solid and striking design, shaped around practical toughness and visual impact. Its robust lines and reinforced corners communicate a mech-inspired identity, while its IP68 and IP69K certifications assure users a formidable protection against water, dust, and accidental drops. The phone is MEL STD 810H certified, signaling military-grade durability to withstand shocks, high pressure, and variable temperatures. Encased in rugged material and weighing in at a substantial heft, the WP62 fits perfectly in the hands of adventurers, outdoor professionals, and anyone prioritizing resilience. Display experience. Center stage is a generous 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display, designed for optimal visibility and durability. This screen delivers immersive colors, crisp detail, and wide viewing angles, making it easy to read or watch content even outdoors under bright sun. The toughened glass protects the display against scratches and minor impacts, providing peace of mind during tough daily tasks or challenging expeditions. Camera system. Equipped with an advanced 108MP main camera, the WP62 transforms mobile photography. Users can capture life's vivid moments in high resolution, whether it's professional work documentation or unforgettable scenery. This main camera is complemented by versatile sensors that enhance performance for macro and night photography. On the front, a capable camera delivers sharp and clear selfies, supporting your social and video calls no matter where you are or what conditions you face. Battery life and charging. Endurance is a defining feature of the WP62, thanks to its massive 11,000 mAh battery. This powerhouse ensures up to several days of use on a single charge, supporting users through travel, demanding jobs, or remote adventures without fear of running out of power. Fast charging swiftly revives the battery, minimizing downtime and letting you stay focused on what matters. Reverse charging support means the WP62 can serve as a portable power bank, helping you or your friends stay connected longer. Performance and speed. Underneath its tough shell, the WP62 is powered by efficient 5G-ready hardware and up to 16 GB of RAM, expandable via virtual memory, ensuring swift multitasking and a lag-free experience. The spacious 512 GB UFS 3.1 internal storage provides ample room for apps, photos, maps, and work files, and is expandable even further via microSD. Powered by Android 15, the software experience is clean and intuitive, supporting modern productivity, entertainment, and customization for every user. Connectivity and features. Seamlessly connect to the latest networks with 5G capabilities, fast Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. NFC provides contactless payment options and fast device pairing, while GPS and other satellite navigation systems guarantee accurate location tracking wherever you roam. With waterproof speakers, a customizable side key, and eSIM support for select markets, the WP62 adapts to every scenario, at work, in the wilderness, or traveling abroad. Final thoughts. The Oukitel WP62 is not just a smartphone, it's a technological companion built to thrive in demanding conditions. With its imposing battery, advanced camera system, resilient design, and premium connectivity suite, the WP62 redefines what users can expect from a rugged phone. Whether you're a professional needing absolute dependability or an adventurer seeking the perfect blend of strength and smart features, the WP62 is ready to excel in any challenge, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible.